Have you ever looked at your garden in the middle of summer? Maybe it's overgrown, or perhaps it's looking a little empty, and wondered if you've missed your chance to grow your own vegetables this year. Many people think that once July rolls around, it's simply too late to start a vegetable garden, but here's the good news: that's just not true. In fact, July is actually a fantastic time to sow seeds for a bountiful fall harvest. Many vegetables thrive when planted in the warmth of midsummer, and with the right approach, you can enjoy fresh homegrown produce well into the cooler months. Seed companies even offer special July planting varieties, making it easier than ever to get started right now. Maybe your spring garden didn't go as planned. Perhaps the weather didn't cooperate, or life just got busy. Or maybe you're brand new to gardening and want to try your hand at growing your own food. Whatever your situation, July offers a golden window of opportunity. The soil is warm, the days are long, and seeds germinate quickly, giving your plants a strong start. With a few smart choices, like selecting heat-tolerant varieties and watering consistently, you can turn even the hottest days of summer into opportunities for a thriving, productive garden. Don't let the heat intimidate you. Many vegetables, such as beans, squash, and carrots, actually love the warmth and will reward you with vigorous growth. In this video, I'll walk you through the very best vegetables to plant in July, from fast-growing greens to root crops and more. I'll also share expert tips on soil preparation, watering strategies, and how to protect your young plants from the intense summer sun. Whether you have a large backyard or just a few containers on a patio, you can still enjoy a late-season harvest. So grab your seeds, your favorite gardening tools, and a little bit of determination. Let's dig in together and discover how you can grow a productive, beautiful garden. Starting right now, even in the heat of summer, your harvest bounty awaits. When it comes to summer gardening, few crops are as quick, reliable, and perfectly suited for July as bush beans. These compact, productive plants are a staple in gardens across the country, thriving in the warmth and sunshine of midsummer. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, bush beans are an excellent choice for filling empty spaces in your garden beds, or for squeezing in a late-season crop. Their adaptability and ease of care make them a favorite for anyone looking to maximize their summer harvests. One of the standout features of bush beans is their impressively short time to maturity. Most varieties are ready to harvest in just 50 to 60 days from sowing, which means you can plant them in early to mid-July and still enjoy a bountiful harvest before the first fall frost arrives. This quick turnaround makes bush beans ideal for gardeners who may have missed the spring planting window or who want to keep their beds productive throughout the summer. Always check your seed packet for the specific days to maturity, as some varieties may be even faster. Planting bush beans couldn't be simpler. Direct sow the seeds about an inch deep into well-prepared soil, spacing them roughly 18 inches apart to give each plant plenty of room to grow and produce. Make sure the soil stays consistently moist, especially during germination and early growth. Beans prefer warm soil, so July's heat is perfect for quick sprouting and vigorous development. If you're planting in containers or raised beds, ensure they have good drainage and receive at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. To keep your harvest coming well into the fall, try succession planting. Sow a new row of bush beans every 2 weeks through mid-July. This staggered approach ensures you'll have a continuous supply of tender beans, rather than a single overwhelming glut. Watching the different stages of growth in your garden can be incredibly rewarding, and it helps spread out the work of harvesting and processing your beans. Mulching around your bush bean plants is a simple step that pays big dividends. A layer of straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings helps retain soil moisture, which is especially important during the hot, dry days of July. Mulch also suppresses weeds, keeping your garden tidy and reducing competition for nutrients. As the mulch breaks down, it adds organic matter to the soil, further benefiting your plants. When it comes time to harvest, pick beans while they're still slender, crisp, and snap easily in your hands. Frequent picking, every couple of days, encourages the plants to keep producing new pods, extending your harvest window. Don't let the beans get too large or tough, as they can become stringy and lose their sweet flavor. A gentle touch is all that's needed to pluck the pods from the plants, and you'll quickly fill your basket with fresh, delicious beans. July's warmth accelerates the growth and maturation of bush beans, so it's important to check your plants regularly. Inspect them every couple of days for new pods, signs of pests, or any issues with moisture. Healthy, well-tended plants will reward you with a steady stream of beans, and regular attention helps you catch any problems early. With their rapid growth, generous yields, and minimal fuss, bush beans are one of the most rewarding crops you can grow in July. They're perfect for gardeners of all experience levels, from beginners looking for a confidence boost to experts seeking a reliable, productive addition to their summer garden. Whether you enjoy them fresh, steamed, or preserved for later, bush beans are sure to become a highlight of your summer harvest. Cucumbers thrive when planted in July, especially for a late summer crop. Choose disease-resistant varieties and grow them vertically on trellises to save space and improve airflow. Water consistently at the base in the morning. Cucumbers need even moisture for crisp, juicy fruits. Mulch conserves water and keeps soil cool. Check plants daily. Cucumbers mature fast and are best picked before seeds get tough. Frequent harvesting encourages more fruit. With these tips, your July cucumbers will deliver a refreshing harvest all summer. July is an ideal time to give your garden a second wind by planting another round of summer squash and zucchini. Many gardeners think the main planting season ends in spring, but midsummer offers a unique opportunity to double your harvest. By sowing seeds now, you can take advantage of the long, warm days and the soil's retained heat, which encourages rapid germination and strong, healthy seedlings. This second planting can help you avoid the lull that sometimes happens when early crops finish, keeping your garden productive and full of life. Warm soil in July means seeds sprout quickly, and plants grow with impressive vigor. The consistent heat and longer daylight hours give your squash and zucchini a head start, allowing them to establish deep roots and lush foliage. This robust growth not only leads to healthier plants but also helps them outcompete weeds and resist common pests and diseases that can plague spring plantings. For best results, direct sow your seeds about an inch deep, making sure to space them at least 3 feet apart to give each plant plenty of room to spread. If you're working with limited space, opt for bush varieties, which are perfect for small gardens or even large containers. Proper spacing ensures good air circulation, reducing the risk of fungal diseases and making it easier to tend your plants as they grow. After planting, water deeply at the base of each plant to encourage roots to grow downward, seeking moisture and nutrients. Mulching around your squash and zucchini is essential. Use straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings to keep the soil cool, retain moisture, and suppress weeds. This simple step can make a big difference in the health and productivity of your plants, especially during the hot summer months. In just 35 to 50 days after planting, you'll be able to start harvesting tender, flavorful fruits. Pick them while they're still small and glossy for the best taste and texture. Overgrown squash can become tough and seedy. Regular harvesting not only ensures the best flavor, but also encourages your plants to keep producing, leading to a continuous supply of delicious summer vegetables. By taking advantage of a July planting, you'll enjoy a second, often more pest-free and abundant harvest that extends well into the fall. Late-season squash and zucchini tend to face fewer pest problems, and the cooler nights of early autumn can enhance their flavor. With just a little extra effort, you can double your harvest and savor the rewards of your garden long after many others have finished for the season. Okra is a July superstar, thriving in heat and dry spells. Sow seeds directly, space 12 to 18 inches apart, and soak overnight for faster germination. Okra grows tall, so plant in a sunny spot. Mulch helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Harvest pods at 3 to 4 inches long for tenderness. Check plants every other day. Okra's resilience and productivity make it a must for hot climate gardens. July is ideal for planting pepper transplants to extend your harvest. Choose sturdy transplants and mulch generously to conserve moisture and keep soil cool. Water deeply at the base, especially during flowering and fruit set. Harvest peppers regularly for continuous production. Pick green for mild flavor, or let them ripen for more sweetness or heat. Peppers flourish in July's warmth while other crops struggle. Experiment with different varieties for a colorful, flavorful harvest into autumn. Late July is the time to sow carrots and beets for a fall harvest. Loosen soil deeply and keep it moist for even germination. Thin seedlings to proper spacing for straight, sweet roots. Mulch to conserve moisture and steady soil temperature. Cooler nights in late summer enhance root crop flavor. Succession sow every 2 weeks through mid-August for a continuous supply. Enjoy vibrant, flavorful carrots and beets as autumn arrives. 8. Late July is perfect for sowing lettuce, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Plant in afternoon shade or use shade cloth to keep soil cool and prevent bolting. Water gently and keep seed beds moist until seedlings are established. Mulch locks in moisture and cools roots. Harvest outer leaves regularly for a steady supply. Try heat-tolerant varieties for best results. With care, you'll enjoy fresh greens well into fall. 8. July is your last chance to plant sweet potato slips. Plant slips 12 to 18 inches apart in mounded rows, and mulch heavily. Water deeply after planting. Once established, sweet potatoes tolerate drought. Don't let soil dry out during tuber formation. Harvest when vines yellow in fall, and cure tubers for sweetness. Sweet potatoes are resilient and rewarding for July gardeners. 8. Organize July planting by starting heat lovers early and cool season crops later. Direct soybeans, cucumbers, squash, okra, peppers, and sweet potatoes in early July. Shift to carrots, beets, and leafy greens as nights cool. Succession sowing keeps your garden productive. Check your region's frost dates and count backward for best timing. With a little planning, July can be your most productive gardening month. 8. Gardening in extreme heat requires special strategies. Mulch thickly around crops to keep roots cool and conserve moisture. Water deeply at the base to encourage deep roots. Use shade cloth to protect tender plants during the hottest hours. Monitor daily for stress and respond quickly with water or shade. Feed plants mid-season with compost or balanced fertilizer. Always water before fertilizing to avoid burning roots. With these tips, even the hottest July can yield a thriving garden. 9. July is still prime planting time for a productive vegetable garden. The key to success: mulch, deep watering, and shade for tender crops. With these tools and a little planning, you'll harvest fresh vegetables well into fall. Share your July planting plans in the comments and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!